I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open your Samsung phone and unlock the screen. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Voice Access to enable the feature. Toggle voice access on and follow the quick setup prompts to grant microphone permission. Next, open Settings, then Advanced Features to enable Bixby Voice if you prefer Samsung Assistant Control. Teach the phone the wake phrase by saying "Hi Bixby" during setup. Confirm microphone and location permissions so voice commands can run reliably with apps and system features. After enabling voice access, open the voice access settings screen to customize commands. Use the training tool to repeat sample phrases and improve recognition accuracy for your voice. Add custom shortcuts by mapping spoken phrases to specific apps and actions for faster control. Enable background activity and microphone permission so voice access can listen when the screen is on or off. Review command lists and practice saying numbers for on-screen targets to learn exact phrasing for taps and gestures. Use clear, natural phrases when speaking commands to get reliable results. Say commands like "Open Settings," "Tap 3," "Scroll down," or "Turn off Bluetooth" to perform actions. For Bixby, say the wake phrase "Hi Bixby," then state the action for hands-free control of calls, messages, and smart devices. To control on-screen items, say the visible numbers or labels the voice access overlay shows. Protect privacy by reviewing and clearing saved voice data within settings when you no longer want voice model retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.